Data science roles. Which one do you prefer?
Data science roles are continually evolving as industries increasingly rely on data-driven insights. Below is a list of different types of data science roles, categorized into traditional, trending, and upcoming. Number 1. Data scientist. Builds predictive models, analyzes datasets, and solves business problems using statistical and machine learning techniques. Tools: Python, R, SQL, SAS. What they do: create models to analyze large datasets, predict trends, and generate insights to solve business problems. Skills needed: statistics, machine learning, programming, Python, R, SQL, and storytelling. Common industries: e-commerce, finance, healthcare, and marketing. Number 2. Data analyst. Focuses on interpreting data to provide actionable insights using tools like Excel, Tableau, or Power BI. Strong emphasis on visualization and reporting. What they do: analyze structured data, generate reports, and create dashboards to provide insights. Skills needed: SQL, Excel, visualization tools, Tableau, Power BI. Common industries: retail, banking, education. Number 3. Business Intelligence BI Analyst. Translates raw data into meaningful dashboards and reports for strategic decisions. Tools: Power BI, Tableau, Looker, SQL. What they do: develop dashboards and visualizations to support decision-making. Skills needed: SQL, ETL tools, BI platforms, Looker, Power BI. Common industries: management consulting, SaaS, and government. Number 4. Statistician. Uses statistical methods to design experiments, analyze results, and ensure data validity. Works extensively in industries like clinical trials, finance, and social sciences. What they do: apply statistical theories to collect, analyze, and interpret data. Skills needed: advanced statistical tools, SAS, SPSS, R, experimental design. Common industries: clinical trials, insurance, public policy. Number 5. Data engineer. Builds, optimizes, and maintains data pipelines and infrastructure. Tools: Hadoop, Spark, Airflow, SQL, AWS, or Azure. What they do: build and maintain the architecture for data generation, storage, and processing. Skills needed: Hadoop, Spark, cloud platforms, database management. Common industries: cloud services, social media, logistics. Number 6. Machine learning engineer. Specializes in deploying and optimizing machine learning models for production use. Skills: TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, cloud platforms. What they do: deploy machine learning models into production and ensure they scale efficiently. Skills needed: deep learning frameworks, TensorFlow, PyTorch, ML Ops. Common industries: autonomous vehicles, fraud detection, voice assistants. Number 7. AI research scientist. Focuses on developing novel algorithms and advancing AI methodologies. Areas: natural language processing, NLP, computer vision, reinforcement learning. What they do: innovate and advance the field of artificial intelligence with new algorithms and methods. Skills needed: advanced mathematics, deep learning, natural language processing, NLP. Common industries: academia, defense, healthcare. Number 8. Big data engineer analyst, works on large-scale data processing systems and analytics for unstructured datasets. Tools, Spark, Kafka, NoSQL databases. What they do, process and analyze massive unstructured datasets. Skills needed, Hadoop, NoSQL databases, Kafka, Spark. Common industries, telecom, ad tech, and social networks. Number 9. Product data scientist. Collaborates with product teams to improve user experience and engagement through data analysis. Strong business acumen and domain knowledge. What they do, collaborate with product managers to leverage data in shaping product strategies and user experiences. Skills needed, A/B testing, user behavior analytics, SQL. Common industries, SaaS, gaming, consumer apps. Number 10. Operations research analyst. Uses mathematical modeling to optimize operations and solve resource allocation problems. What they do, use optimization and simulation to solve logistical and operational challenges. Skills needed, linear programming, simulation tools. Common industries, manufacturing, transportation, supply chain. Number 11. Data architect. Designs data systems and frameworks ensuring scalability, reliability, and performance. Tools, Airwin, cloud platforms, and ETL processes. What they do, design and optimize data storage systems and frameworks. Skills needed, ETL processes, database technologies, system design. Common industries, enterprise IT, finance, and retail. Number 12. Marketing data analyst. Focuses on customer segmentation, campaign analysis, and attribution modeling. Tools, Google Analytics, CRM platforms. What they do, perform campaign analysis, customer segmentation, and ROI tracking. Skills needed, CRM analytics, marketing platforms, attribution modeling. Common industries, e-commerce, ad agencies, entertainment. Number 13. Ethical AI specialist. Ensures fairness, transparency, and ethical considerations in AI model development. What they do, ensure AI applications comply with ethical principles and are free of bias. Skills needed, ethics frameworks, data governance, explainable AI. Common industries, tech, legal, and public policy. Number 14. Quantum machine learning scientist. Explores the intersection of quantum computing and machine learning for future technologies. What they do, use quantum computing to improve machine learning models. Skills needed, quantum mechanics, Qiskit, advanced mathematics, common industries, research labs, advanced finance. Number 15. Data privacy analyst. Manages compliance with data privacy regulations, e.g., GDPR, HIPAA, and ensures secure data handling. What they do, ensure organizational compliance with privacy laws and regulations. Skills needed, GDPR, HIPAA knowledge, data security practices. Common industries, legal, healthcare, SaaS. Number 16. IoT data scientist. Analyzes data from Internet of Things devices for predictive maintenance, smart city development, etc. What they do, analyze and process data from IoT devices for predictive insights. Skills needed, edge computing, real-time analytics, device sensors. Common industries, smart cities, agriculture, and manufacturing. Number 17. Synthetic data specialist. Creates synthetic data sets for model training when real-world data is scarce or sensitive. What they do, Create synthetic data when real-world data is scarce or sensitive. Skills needed: data augmentation, generative models GANs, common industries, AI research, clinical trials. Number 18, health informatics data scientist. Works on healthcare-related data analysis, such as patient outcomes and drug discovery. What they do: analyze healthcare data to improve patient outcomes and optimize operations. Skills needed: medical data standards, FHIR, HL7, predictive modeling. Common industries: hospitals, pharmaceuticals. Number 19, digital twin specialist. Models virtual replicas of physical systems to optimize operations and predict outcomes. What they do: develop virtual replicas of systems to simulate and optimize real-world operations. Skills needed: simulation tools, real-time data integration. Common industries: aerospace, automotive, smart infrastructure. Number 20, explainable AI, XAI, engineer. Develops techniques to make AI models more interpretable and transparent. What they do: design AI systems that provide clear, understandable insights into decision-making. Skills needed: interpretability methods, regulatory compliance. Common industries: financial audits, healthcare, AI ethics. Number 21, financial data scientist. Specializes in analyzing stock markets, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading strategies. What they do: develop models for risk analysis, fraud detection, and investment strategies. Skills needed: time series analysis, portfolio optimization. Common industries: banking, hedge funds. Number 22, climate data scientist. Works on analyzing environmental data for climate modeling, disaster prediction, and sustainability efforts. What they do: model climate patterns, predict environmental changes, and inform sustainability initiatives. Skills needed: remote sensing, climate modeling tools. Common industries, NGOs, renewable energy, government. Number 23, personalized recommendation scientist. Develops recommender systems for personalized user experiences in retail, streaming, and more. What they do: build algorithms to offer personalized suggestions in apps, e-commerce, and media. Skills needed: collaborative filtering, NLP, content-based models. Common industries: streaming services, retail. Number 24, generative AI specialist. Focuses on applications of generative models like GPT, DALL-E, and others in content creation and automation. What they do: develop applications using generative AI, such as content creation or chatbot systems. Skills needed: GPT, DALL-E, fine-tuning AI models. Common industries: creative industries, automation, marketing. Number 25, edge computing data scientist. Works on real-time data processing in edge devices like smart cameras and autonomous vehicles. What they do: analyze data in real time at the edge, e.g., IoT devices, instead of centralized servers. Skills needed: edge analytics, low latency processing. Common industries: autonomous vehicles, smart devices, robotics. Choosing the best fit career path in data science depends on your skills, interests, educational background, and career goals. Let's break this down into steps to help you decide. Number 1, identify your core strengths and interests. Here are some guiding questions. Are you analytical? If you love statistics and mathematics, roles like statistician, data scientist, or operations research analyst might be a fit. Are you technical? If you enjoy coding, databases, and infrastructure? Consider roles like data engineer, machine learning engineer, or big data engineer. Are you creative? If you like creating visual stories from data, explore roles like data analyst, marketing data analyst, or BI analyst. Are you futuristic? If cutting-edge technology excites you, roles like AI research scientist, quantum machine learning scientist, or generative AI specialist might align. Number 2, assess your current skills. Programming knowledge. If you're good with Python, R or SQL, data scientist, machine learning engineer, data analyst are great choices. If you prefer working on systems, data engineer, big data engineer, data architect fit well. Statistics and mathematics. If you excel in statistics, statistician, health informatics data scientist, or financial data scientist. If you're interested in optimization, operations research analyst, digital twin specialist, business acumen. If you like solving business problems, product data scientist, BI analyst, or marketing data analyst, domain expertise. If you have experience in specific industries, e.g., healthcare, finance, choose specialized roles like health informatics data scientist or financial data scientist. Number 3, consider market trends and demand. Here's where demand is booming. High demand roles, data scientist, machine learning engineer, big data engineer, and BI analyst are always in demand across industries. Emerging roles. For staying ahead of the curve, consider generative AI specialist, explainable AI engineer, or ethical AI specialist. Industry-specific roles. Healthcare, health informatics data scientist. Finance, financial data scientist. Sustainability, climate data scientist. Number 4, evaluate your long-term career goals. Want to stay technical? Roles like AI research scientist, machine learning engineer, or quantum machine learning scientist offer cutting-edge work. Want leadership opportunities? Data roles like data architect and product data scientist can lead to management. Want flexibility? Roles like data analyst or marketing. Data analyst are often more flexible and less specialized. Number 5, recommended steps to choose and excel. 1, research your role. Look at job descriptions on LinkedIn or Indeed to see what excites you. 2, upskill yourself. Use platforms like Coursera, EDX, or specialized courses for Python, SQL, machine learning, or visualization tools. 3, try internships or projects. Gain hands-on experience to see if you enjoy the day-to-day responsibilities. 4th, network. Join data science communities like Kaggle, meetups, or LinkedIn groups to understand real-world challenges and opportunities. Example: career path based on interests. Interest in AI and future tech. Roles: AI research scientist, generative AI specialist, quantum machine learning scientist. Skills to focus: deep learning, GPT models, quantum computing basics. Interest in analysis and visualization. Roles: data analyst, BI analyst, marketing data analyst. Skills to focus: Tableau, Power BI, storytelling with data. Interest in building and managing data systems. Roles: data engineer, big data engineer, data architect. Skills to focus: Hadoop, Spark, cloud platforms, ETL processes. Interest in healthcare and social impact. Roles: health informatics, data scientist, climate data scientist, ethical AI specialist. Skills to focus: domain-specific knowledge, ethics in AI, and real-world applications.
Many thanks for watching my video and happy learning. Which data science role is right for you? Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a feedback comment. Many thanks for your support and having a great connection.